How to upload multiple products using the batch upload option. Go to Tradekey.com and sign into your account. Click on Add Batch Upload in the Quick Access menu. Select Product Category. You can search product categories or select from a provided list. Once a category is selected, download and open the form. Now, fill out the required details about your products in this form. Enter product name, model number, product keyword, listing description and detailed description. Status of your product. Enter the brand name of the product. Same way, enter the second product. Now save the form and go to the Tradekey website to upload the form. You have successfully added 2 products.